Hey guys, so now we're going to go into the segments of the nephron. So your proximal convoluted tubule, we just call it PCT, and that reabsorbs glucose, amino acids, salts, and water. Your loop of Henle, you have a descending loop of Henle and you have an ascending loop of Henle. Okay, so when you're in your descending loop of Henle, water leaves, osmolarity goes up. Okay, when your ascending loop of Henle, salt leaves, not water. And these salts can be different ions, potassium, sodium, stuff like that. Okay, that leaves but not water. In your distal convoluted tubule, salt and water reabsorption, waste secretion. Okay, so DCT, you reabsorb salt, and you reabsorb water, and waste secretion. In your electing duct is your final water control. By now, you guys should know what these hormones do, but if not, you should definitely look at that. But yeah, so it's responsive to ADH and aldosterone. And then you can have aquaporons in your collecting duct, and then those aquaporons can allow you to absorb more water, more or less water, depending. And then there's one thing that isn't here that I would like to talk about is your renin angiotensin. I think it's RAS. Yeah, your renin aldosterone angiotensin system. I'm just saying it to say it because for some reason it wasn't in this chapter, but I've seen that before. Now it's gonna take great detail for me to go over it. I don't want to go over it. I want it to be taught well to you guys, so you guys should definitely learn about renin, aldosterone, and just call it a RAS. And you should go on Khan Academy. It wasn't in the book, well, at least not that I saw, but I've seen on full length. So definitely go on Khan Academy. It's more of a hormonal thing, which is why I don't think it was in this chapter. So I'm like, hopefully you guys know it by now. But if you don't understand your hormones yet, then to better understand how this whole system works in your nephron, I would definitely recommend to better understand your RAS system. So watch a Khan Academy video. Again, it isn't directly part of this chapter per se, right? But it definitely relates to it if you don't know about your hormones yet. Okay. Get back on topic. So, last but not least, 10.4, the skin. This is like very simple stuff you need to know, right? So, you have your epidermis, you have your dermis, you have your hypodermis, okay? Epidermis, you need to know is on the outside. Dermis, remember we have two layers, right? We have your reticular dermis and then your papillary dermis, right? And this is about sensation, and that's right under your epidermis. Remember, your epidermis is the front layer of your skin. And your hypodermis is all fat and connective tissue, and this is right before you get into like it's right under the second layer of your dermis, so very close to blood. And then your skin has roles in thermoregulation, meaning it helps with sweating, vasodilation, and constriction, as well as we get goosebumps. Great, guys. We're almost done bio, and then we have to do Gen Chem, and then we're done. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in chapter 11.